live from New Delhi. Turning to China, that's where a cancer diagnosis can be devastating, not only physically, but financially. Waiting lists are long, treatment can be extremely expensive, and basic health insurance often won't cover it. But a cell phone app is trying to change all that. Matt Rivers reports.
For Zhaorui Zhe, the life or death drama of her fight with cancer plays out in a small, windowless room. She and her husband are poor farmers from rural China. She didn't trust her local hospital when they told her that she had cervical cancer. So she came to Beijing for a diagnosis and treatment, staying in what locals call cancer hotels. Cheap, dirty rooms across the street from the hospital. We have to borrow money, she says. What else can we do? I'm so young. How can I give up my life? She says they've spent $50,000 so far, a staggering sum for this couple, a story repeated thousands of times across Beijing each year. The desperate filling these hotels because they worry they can't get adequate cancer treatment most other places in China. The people staying in these rooms hope that by coming to Beijing, they give themselves the best possible chance for a cure. But like anyone with cancer, how do they know, A, their diagnosis is correct, and B, that by being here, they're getting the best possible treatment?
Any one doctor in any one hospital, by definition, doesn't have all the options.
Will Polkinghorn wants to help. He co-founded an app called Driver that's just launched in China and the U.S. The concept is to connect patients to the best possible treatment by aggregating knowledge. So a patient gets the app, gets a biopsy, and sends those results to a lab Driver has set up in either China or the U.S. to get treatment options.
We process all of that information. We present to the patient what their standard of care is. And we present to the patient what advanced therapies they're eligible for.
The National Cancer Institute in the U.S. and the National Cancer Center in China have signed up as partners. Driver says that means app users can connect with the world's best oncologists, ensuring users know which treatment is best and where they can find it. That might mean coming to a big city like Beijing or maybe staying close to home. It can help the patient so that some patients don't need to come to big cities for treatment. The app is expensive, $3,000 plus $20 a month for full service. They're trying to bring the cost down, and if they do, that's when people like Cao could afford it. Maybe she wouldn't have to travel all the way to Beijing just to confirm a diagnosis. Maybe her treatment would be more effective and faster. For now, though, that's a dream. The reality is a small, dirty room, radiation, and an army of daily pills. This is treating cancer when you're poor in China. Matt Rivers, CNN, Beijing.